Sneeze is a mechanism to expel germs or bacteria. Don't sneeze on your hands because germs will stay on hands unless if you wash your hands with soap or hand sanitizer. Sneeze your arm or sneeze the tissue on your nose. If you sneezed on tissue, find a bin to dispose it and wash your hands with soap or hand sanitizer. Oh, and don't sneeze at the person, you must cover your sneeze or sneeze on the floor where nobody was near you.
Oh, okay.